Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to show you how to pull out a junkyard racing motor for your race car.
So what exactly are we working with there for a motor?
So this is a 5.8 EFI motor. It is a great Ford motor, and it is in a F350, which you can't see anymore because the badges are gone. Old dually.
So this was their heavier duty engine than the 5-liter, I'm assuming?
Yep, this one had a little bit better valley kind of strength in there. They don't split apart near as quick as the 5.0s.
But they are probably pretty similar.
They're fairly similar, they're just slightly wider and taller. So,
okay.
You can make them fit in a Fox body with a little craft work.
Yeah, there you go. What kind of power do these hold?
So, according to the internet, so we know everything's true on there, they claim 800-900 somewhere around there. So compared to the 500 that the 5.0 is supposed to hold, it's a step up. It ain't no LS, but it's if you're sticking with the Ford blood instead of doing crossbreed LS Ford things, it's the way to go.
Okay, so how did you come upon this fine piece of equipment here that we're looking at?
So if you watch the old video where we launched the Buick over the dirt pile, you would have seen this thing as we were looking for parts to fix the Buick. At this old farm that we know the guys, and they were going to scrap it, so gave them a bit for the engine and trans, and we're yanking that out.
Yes, sir. Old farm truck.
Yep, old farm truck.
Probably had an easy life.
I'm sure it did. I'm sure it's in top quality.
Probably never towed a trailer.
Never. Nope. Another thing you want to get yourself is a Manitou. You want to just under there, up in the air.
AKA 2-post car lift.
Yep, 2-post car lift, or 1-post maybe.
1-post.
Yeah, 1-post. Then you can slide under there and get rid of transmotion stuff, get your Sawzall, cut stuff off.
What kind of transmotion does this thing have in it?
One that has a couple gears forward and run reverse, I believe.
Is it one of them auto tragic slosh boxes?
Yeah, I think so. A dream killer, they call them, I think.
Yeah.
So.
You have a plan for that too, don't you?
Yeah, we got an old F-150 that thing's going to be slid into. So hopefully we can make that fit in there correctly.
So, recycling,
yes.
Environmental.
We're good for the planet, yeah.
Environmentally friendly.
Yeah, there was a bunch of water in the front that just kind of ran out.
Green water.
Yeah, green water.
Funny stuff.
So, we're going to go in here. I did a bit of hacksawing, sawzalling, got rid of this, that.
You don't need all that.
When you start, you just want to take pieces like this.
Give you some room to work.
Action room. So
get it in your teeth, as someone would say.
So we're gonna see if we can just pull the whole trans and everything out. Hopefully it goes better than trying to put the whole trans in the Pontiac.
Okay, so that's your lift, and got a crane, got one Brant
hookage.
Yeah,
let's get to getting it.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, we got this thing, all the stuff removed from both sides of the engine, zipped out the 2 motor mounts and the trans mount, sawzalled anything else that was in the way off. So gonna set her back down on the flat surface, pull the crane out, and do a little picking action and see if it'll come on out of there.
That's quite the little unit.
Oh yeah, thing's the way to go.
Very sweet.
One of those.
If only you were certified.
I'm not forklift certified. I guess you should be running that thing.
Yeah, forklift certified.
I'm not smart enough to get that.
It takes a lot of skill and brains. It's basically
I'm crane certified though, so.
Okay. You know. Basically like a college degree for smart people.
Ah. That's why I never heard of it, I guess.
Yes, sir. Speedy quick.
Super fast.
Don't let that thing hit your head, aka cranium.
Got the jokes today.
They're just flowing. All the good ones too. So all you're gonna need for pulling your race engine out is one of these service trucks with a crane. If you got one laying around, they're handy. One standard issue Brant. This stands directly underneath his crane. That's all you need. This is the point in time where we test out the tensile strength of everything he forgot to unhook. Oh. It's moving.
That one out? I can't tell.
It moved a good bit.
I think that one's probably
I think it'll come out with some...
Move the transmission mount yet. It's still stuck in there.
Ah. Good thing it's easy to get to. Easy access.
Might be able to move it from here. Oh. Can almost get it.
This thing's like not even that rusty. It's got like paint at places. That's probably one of the better looking frames. If anyone needs a frame, this one's
not even all that bad, actually.
Unabused.
Look at that. It's only got about, what is that, half an inch of rust buildup?
That's like nothing.
Practically new.
Nice. It's got new tires.
Know what else it's got?
And
it's got a muffler for the G-body.
We might have to snag on the muffler.
Get ourselves that stealth.
I'm liking the mounting setup.
Oh yeah, we're gonna cut that off.
Exhaust hangers. Got like the dual hanger plus another hanger system.
It's quality.
That's nice. What were we doing anyway? We're pulling an engine out.
Yeah, back to the point and case.
Da-na-na-na. Na-na-na.
Don't wait to die.
Still standing directly under his crane. He really likes that spot. He feels safe there. That's kind of against there, bud.
All the way.
That's all the way.
Oh, there's some wires.
And
we have a lot of fluid.
There he goes. Obviously, whatever's coming out is worth something to him because he really doesn't care if it goes on the ground, but he's running for some reason, so he probably wants that stuff for his stove. There's a lot of wires.
There's I was thinking about that. The fuel rails are still hooked up.
Just snip.
Not anymore though.
That's the fuel line.
Hang on to that. Got some nice coating to keep the heat out of your fuel
It's like
lines.
aerospace grade. Space shuttles and stuff use that. Alright. It looks free. Now's the point when you just let the transmission fluid run out of the back end.
Just that easy. Now you just wanna.
That's a big old Mota. And transmission. It's got some
beef.
Got some strength to it. Nice.
Making a mess.
Nice.
Bleeding everywhere.
This is like kind of reddish water.
Yeah, that's weird.
They got strange water around here. I don't understand it. Yes, sir. So, chuck this thing in the bed,
Oh, yeah.
and we're done. Make sure you get all the transmission fluid in your bed of your service truck. That's
As soon as we get it set level, it'll quit dripping.
that's what you're looking for.
If the crane would hurry up. And that's all there is to it, folks. engine picked. It's all less than open in here. We got ourselves a high horsepower Racin Mota. So we'll just tuck that away real nice, maybe spray some WD in the ports, and someday we'll break it out and put it in something. So I don't know, there's too much else we can use off this. This thing, it's got some good parts on it yet, but I don't think there's anything we need.
Fender and a hood for someone that needs a fender and a hood.
Hey, if you really badly need a nice hood or a semi-nice fender, drop it down in the comments and I might be able to hook you up if you're in the Pennsylvania area.
25 bucks.
Something like that. All right. I think that'll be all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.